Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a 30-minute after dark clean with me. So the house was looking insanely messy this night, and as you may be able to tell in my voice, I was not feeling well. So this mama had her hair up all messy. I was in my comfy house clothes and I was just ready to go back to bed, to be honest. But we needed to get this done. And yes, that is crushed up goldfish into the carpet because we love a good messy toddler. So without further ado, let's just get into it.
And the way we lose it, there's something different about us. And the reason why
So on this night, I decided to start in the lounge room. I usually start in the kitchen and just get it out of the way, but as I wasn't feeling well, I just thought that the lounge room would be the quickest and easiest just to pick up and get out of the way. Then I'd move on to the kitchen.
they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
So now that the lounge room was all picked up and tidied up, we moved on out into the main living area. And I know it's weird that we have a coffee table sitting here, but we're trying to sell it. And it's just the easiest place to put it. But as I wasn't feeling well, Brody gave me a big helping hand and we just got this done.
Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka Cola-Lite. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation.
After tidying up that little sitting space, we moved on over to the dining table and we lost all the footage. We'd cleaned the whole thing, and then it wasn't until we got to the kitchen and I realized the camera stopped recording, and I was not happy. But basically we put the rug back under there, tidied up everything and gave the table a really good wipe down. Then moving on, I went over and vacuumed under all of our bar stools, and then went and vacuumed up behind that little sitting area and tidied up everything that was on the floor.
And put myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows why lies, why it's
Then it was finally time to get on and tackle the disaster that was our kitchen. First thing that we did was just pack away all of the clean dishes and repack the dishwasher.
Love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip.
Then after turning on the dishwasher, it was time to wipe down all of the countertops and clean up around the sink.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
As you can see here, not all the dishes fitted in the dishwasher that night, and I ran out of energy to be bothered washing them up, so that would be a job for another day. But after I finished here at the front of the counter, I went around the other side and just went ahead and cleaned up over there. Then I dropped some essential oils into the drain just to make it smell nice and clean. This is something that I have picked up from many of my cleaning channels that I watch nowadays, and it really does help, so I recommend. But this essential oil was just from Kmart a really long time ago. I'm not quite sure if they still sell it, but it's in sweet orange.
Someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
And just to finish off the kitchen, I gave it a quick vacuum, and then it was on to the last and final thing of the night, which was cleaning up our cat bowls. So we have 2 boy cats who are just a mess. Like, come on guys, I don't know how they make such a mess with their biscuits, but they do. And so just to help with that a little bit, we put down a tea towel just to put the bowls on top, and after giving them a good clean, and that was it.
No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts. filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know.
And that was all for my 30-minute After Dark clean with me. Thank you guys so much for sticking it out and watching till the end. I cannot wait to do more of these videos, to be honest, when I'm not sick. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!